I want to compute delta S naught for the reaction for the following balanced equation. So they've provided me the balanced equation. Now I've gone ahead and written down the formula. If you remember, it's just like when we did Hess's law in Chem 1. You're going to take the sum of the mole times the S naught of the products minus the sum of the mole times the S naught of the reactants. Also, for housekeeping purposes, I've included what I looked up on the chart in the back of my book over here on the right hand side, so that as I start pulling these numbers, it's not just out of the thin blue sky. You can find these in your appendices in your textbook, or they may be in a chart, or your instructor may have already provided those for you. So I'm going to use this formula up here, and it says I'm looking at the products first, so I'm looking at the right hand side. The first thing I encounter is a 2, so I'm going to have 2 times then that value for H2O gas. Now make sure you do find the gas. It's really important about the states for this one. So I've got 188.8 plus 2 times 248.2. So there's my products minus the sum of my reactants. So I've got 2 times 205.8 plus 3 times 205.2. That's the hardest part, is making sure you have the moles times the S naught. And then I want to simplify this, and so I get 874 for the first one minus 1027.2. So when I add those together, I get minus 153.2 joules per Kelvin.